2014 to 2019 Toyota Corolla key battery replacement. I'm going to be doing both styles. Let's start with the smart key. Push the button on the side right here, and while you do that, pull the shank out. I got to do it with one hand because I got one hand filming, but you'll push that button, pull the shank out, and then there's a little slot right here. Put the key in the slot and then rotate it until it pops open this case. Very carefully move the case. Try not to lose any of the buttons or whatever. But you could take the microchip out, and we're going to get this 2032 battery out. Now I'm going to link these below for both the smart key and the traditional key, so check for that below. Now what you want to do is when you have the chip out is you got to be very careful not to break these 4 tabs that are holding it in place. What I do is I go in from the bottom and then I just pop it out. Just push it straight up gently, and then you can remove it just like that. And then when you get your new one, it's a CR 2032. When I go to put it in, I'll kind of nosedive it underneath the tabs and then just push the bottom half with my thumb to snap it in place. Then we'll set the microchip board back in place and then put this over it and just snap it together like this. Just make sure it's lined up, take your time, be patient, and snap it together. And then put your shank in, and then that's how you do your smart key. Hey guys, real quick, if you have an 11th generation Toyota Corolla, I just want you to know I have a repair tutorial video pack. It comes with over 40 videos that are all related to your Corolla with PDF files, all kinds of extra things. It comes on a USB stick, so if you're tired of looking through videos that are kind of helpful online, or you're looking for a video that's not there anymore, this video pack's for you. It comes with the most common repair tutorials and then a lot of uncommon repair tutorials that you don't do too often. But whatever you got going on your Corolla, it's probably covered in this video pack. Like I said, it's 40 videos. It's quite a lot. The price is $19.99. It comes on a 16 gigabyte USB stick as pictured here. All you gotta do is go to my fourth wall page, scroll over to the green USB, the video pack here, click checkout or add to cart, and then click checkout on the right. And then type in your shipping and your payment information, and then within a few days it'll arrive in your mailbox and you'll be good to go. Okay, back to the video. Okay, now let's do the other style for these Corollas. This is the traditional style. It's like a actual key with like a fob integrated. It has a little hole over here on the side. We're gonna get something in there and do the same thing that you would do the smart key. Just kind of rotate it to pop the shell loose. Small flathead. Actually, a butter knife works really good. I switched to a butter knife halfway through because it just works a lot better. So just kind of pop this case loose. Just be patient. Pop it up like that, and then we'll remove the fob from the inside of the key. Now this is the tricky part, is separating this little black part has to be separated from the clear part on the bottom. You need to just lift up the tabs on the side. Be very careful not to break the case. It takes a second just to get them all, because you got to like hold them like open while you do open the other ones. And then once we get this off right here, I just go from the side and just pop the battery out. Sometimes they'll fly out though, so be careful. I got my new one here. I'll link it below, and then just kind of put it in place and push it in place. It should kind of snap in place and be held in. It shouldn't need any assistance or nothing to stay in. And then we'll put this case back together. You can just snap this back together. And then we'll put this back in the key body. Make sure that's good. And if you want to replace any buttons, now's the time. I'll link a button set below. Sometimes buttons like they fall out or whatever over time. All you gotta do is just pull them out and put the new one in. Put your new fob in like that, and then just snap it all together, and that's it. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not gonna say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code Guillermo Auto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.